Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing homemade Luchi Paratha. Light, crispy and perfectly puffed, just like traditional Luchi made at home. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually to make a soft dough. Dough should be soft but not sticky. Rub some oil on the dough. Cover and keep aside for 5 minutes. Take a portion of dough and roll it out. Resting the dough helps in better puffing. Spread oil, sprinkle a little flour. And fold as shown. Roll gently to maintain the layers. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Fry the luchi until puffed, golden brown and crispy. Oil temperature should be medium, not too hot. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying. Flip once for even cooking. Luchi is a traditional Bengali deep-fried flatbread. Adding sugar helps luchi puff beautifully. Luchi is usually made thinner than regular paratha. Fresh luchi tastes best when served hot. Homemade luchi uses fresh, clean oil. Portion control makes it enjoyable occasionally. Sugar enhances taste without adding much quantity. Served with vegetable, it makes a balanced meal. Your homemade luchi paratha is crispy, light and perfectly puffed. Serve it hot with aloo dum, cholar dal or any curry. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more traditional recipes.